Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 5, leçon D. And in this lesson, we'll see vocabulary and then vocabulary connected to la maison, the house. So let's start now. La maison, l'appartement, l'appartement, l'étage, l'étage, l'escalier, l'escalier, la porte d'entrée, la porte d'entrée, le garage, le garage. Okay, so one more time. L'appartement, so it's the masculine form, by the way. L'étage, same thing here, masculine word. L'escalier, same thing here, masculine. La porte d'entrée, le garage. Okay, so let's continue now. La cave, les poubelles, la cheminée, l'ascenseur, le portail. Okay, so la cave, les poubelles. So here you've got the plural form, but then if you want to put the singular form, it would be la poubelle. Okay, so you know that, you know now, sorry, that it's a feminine word. La cheminée, l'ascenseur, okay, and it's masculine. Le portail. Let's continue. La sonnette, le balcon, le toit, la fenêtre, le grenier. Okay, so la sonnette, le balcon, le toit, remember final T not pronounced, la fenêtre, le grenier. Remember this R here at the end will give you the sound E, nier, grenier. Okay? Okay, that's it for this lesson. It was a short one, but quite useful. If you want to check for the next lessons and all the lessons, you can find them here, youtube.com/imagier. I'm going too fast. And then if you want more material, then you can find them here. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.